Next, we'll create detail level geometry. Open the ref level view. Select everything in the drawing and click filter. Then click check none and then select other and click OK. Then with the 3 sweeps selected, on the view control bar, click temporary hide isolate and then click hide element. Then from the create tab, click model line. Then on the draw panel, click pick lines and select the left horizontal reference line shown. Then click lock and then select the arced reference line and click lock. Then select the arced model line and zoom out to see and select its lower right temp dimension to make it permanent. Then select the permanent dimension and from the label drop down, select A and G. Then relocate the dimension line as shown. Then clear the selection and using the previous method, create a model line by using the diagonal reference line. This time, do not lock the diagonal model line to prevent over-constraining the sketch. Click Modify and select the diagonal model line and convert its overall temporary dimension to permanent, and then label that dimension to the family parameter LENA1. Next, from the Detail tab's Dimension panel, click Aligned, and then click Angular. Select the diagonal model line, and then the horizontal reference plane shown, and then place the dimension as shown. Click Modify, and relocate the dimension annotations and modify the witness lines as shown. On the View control bar, click Temporary Hide Isolate, and then click Reset Temporary Hide Isolate. Then save the family. And next, we will flex the part to validate the design. This is done by adjusting the parameter values to make sure that the reference planes to which you applied the parameter change accordingly. From the Family Properties panel, click Types, and for the parameter A and G, type 90. Then click OK. When you do, the part should flex and become a 90-degree elbow fitting. Change the A and G parameter value back to 45. Next, we'll add tick marks and dimension them. Select everything and click Filter and clear lines and reference planes and click OK. Then on the View control bar, click Temporary Hide Isolate and click Hide Element. From the Create tab, click Model Line, and at the left end of the fitting, draw a vertical model line approximately as shown. Then at the right end of the fitting, draw another model line that's perpendicular and tangent to the end of the diagonal model line with approximate length as shown. Then from the Detail tab, click Aligned. Then click the horizontal reference plane shown, and then the top end of the model line, and place that dimension. Then dimension the bottom half similarly. Then, using the same method, dimension both halves of the right model line by clicking the diagonal model line first, as shown. Then click Modify and select the lower dimension for the left model line, and on the options bar for label, select CPL RAD. Using the same method, associate the other 3 model line dimensions to the CPL RAD parameter. Then clear the selection, and from the Detail tab, click Aligned then click Angular, then click the diagonal model line, and then click the right model line tick mark, and move the cursor down and place the dimension. Then click Modify and select the angular dimension and zoom out to see its lock icon and lock it to 90 degrees. Then on the View control bar, click Temporary Height Isolate and then click Reset Temporary Height Isolate. Then save the family.